Imagine waking up one morning, and your body just won't cooperate. You try to swing your legs over the bed, but they don't respond not without someone there to help you stand. For millions of older adults across America, this isn't just a bad day, it's becoming their everyday reality. And the culprit? A silent epidemic stealing their strength and freedom. Age-related muscle loss. While you're watching this video, nearly 40 seniors will be hospitalized not because of illness, but from a condition that could have been prevented. Families are pushed into crisis. Nursing homes are overcrowded. And the scariest part? Most people don't even see it coming until it's too late. But what if I told you this decline can be slowed or even reversed? A recent Harvard Medical School study discovered something surprising. Certain everyday foods contain natural compounds that can reignite muscle regeneration even in people well into their 70s and 80s. And here's the shocker. Some of these food zones you might not even have in your kitchen right now outperformed prescription medications in clinical trials. In fact, 5 out of 8 foods we're about to discuss showed more powerful results than drugs, helping to rebuild muscle that many doctors had written off as gone for good. One food in particular prevented muscle loss in 9 out of 10 people in just 6 weeks. Before we dive in, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Vibesso. You won't miss life-changing, science-backed health insights like this. Now, let's uncover 8 powerhouse foods that protect your muscle mass after 60. Number 7 might surprise you the most. Food number 1. Greek yogurt. A nighttime ally for souls. Greek yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. For older adults, it can be a powerful tool in maintaining muscle mass as we age. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt goes through a special straining process that removes excess liquid, doubling the protein content and making the nutrition more concentrated. A 6-ounce serving, about 170 grams, delivers 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein, exactly what your muscles need to stay strong. It's especially rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides your body with a steady supply of amino acids for hours, making it ideal for older adults. In fact, eating Greek yogurt before bed can help reduce overnight muscle breakdown. That's when your body is in a fasting state and more likely to lose muscle. It also offers a solid dose of calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, nutrients essential for keeping your bones strong and your muscles functioning properly. On top of that, the probiotics in Greek yogurt support gut health, which helps with nutrient absorption and inflammation control. Both are key to maintaining healthy muscles as we get older. For best results, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Flavored varieties often contain too much added sugar. Instead, add your own flavor with fresh berries, a handful of nuts, or a drizzle of honey. Experts suggest including Greek yogurt in your diet 3 to 4 times a week, especially as a nighttime snack. And here's one more reason to consider it. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that older adults who consumed whey protein saw significant improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance even without exercise. When paired with resistance training, those benefits increased even more. Food number 2. Whey protein, the most powerful ally against age-related muscle loss. Whey protein is widely recognized as one of the most effective tools for fighting age-related muscle loss. Derived from milk, it contains the highest concentration of leucine of any natural food source. Leucine is a key amino acid that plays a direct role in triggering muscle protein synthesis. That's especially important for older adults, whose muscles tend to respond less efficiently to growth signals as they age. Whey is particularly valuable because it's absorbed and digested quickly, which leads to a rapid rise in blood amino acid, levels crucial for countering what experts call anabolic resistance, a common issue in aging muscles. One compelling study from McMaster University found that older adults who consumed whey protein maintained muscle mass over 40% more effectively than those who got the same amount of protein from regular whole foods. But the benefits of whey don't stop at protein alone. It also contains bioactive peptides that improve blood flow to muscles, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all essential for preserving muscle health over time. On top of that, it provides cysteine, which supports the production of antioxidants that help fight oxidative damage, a process that accelerates with age. Another major study published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association showed that older adults who regularly consumed whey protein experienced noticeable improvements in muscle strength, mobility, and balance even without engaging in regular exercise. And when paired with resistance training, the benefits are even greater. For best results, aim for 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, ideally within 30 minutes after physical activity. Choose minimally processed whey isolate or concentrate, and avoid options with added sugars or artificial ingredients. If you're sensitive to dairy, hydrolyzed whey may be easier to digest. You can mix it with water, milk, or blend it into a smoothie with berries and other whole food ingredients for a complete muscle-supporting meal. Food number 3. Lean beef, a classic powerhouse for aging muscles. When it comes to combining high-quality protein with essential nutrients, few foods can compete with lean beef. For older adults looking to preserve muscle mass, it's one of the most reliable choices. Just one 4-ounce serving, about 113 grams, provides around 25 grams of complete protein. This type of protein offers an amino acid profile that closely matches what human muscles need to stay strong and functional. One of the key reasons lean beef stands out is its high leucine content. Leucine plays a direct role in activating the mTOR pathway, which is essential for muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to growth signals, which means older adults need more leucine to trigger the same muscle-building response that younger bodies achieve more easily. Beef contains some of the highest levels of leucine among all whole foods. But that's not all. It also provides creatine, a compound that helps muscles store energy and increase volume. While the body produces creatine naturally, this ability tends to decline with age, making dietary sources even more important over time. Lean beef also delivers highly bioavailable iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which play a critical role in energy metabolism and oxygen delivery to muscles. In a study conducted by McMaster University, older adults who ate lean red meat and engaged in resistance training saw significantly greater muscle strength improvements than those who consumed the same amount of protein from plant sources. To support muscle health without compromising heart health, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or top round. Keep portions moderate, about 4 to 6 ounces, or 113 to 170 grams, and limit intake to 2 to 3 times per week. If available, go for grass-fed beef. It tends to have a healthier fat profile, including more anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Food number 4. Fatty fish. Building muscle with the power of omega-3 S. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer a powerhouse combination of nutrients that can help maintain muscle mass, something that becomes more critical as we age. What sets these fish apart is their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These specific fatty acids have been shown in clinical studies to significantly reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Just one 4-ounce serving of salmon, about 113 grams, provides around 20 grams of complete protein, including all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow. But the real magic of omega-3s is this: they actually help your muscles respond better to the protein you eat. That means the same amount of protein becomes more effective at stimulating muscle growth. This is especially important for older adults, whose bodies often have a harder time absorbing and responding to protein the way they used to. According to research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, Seniors who ate fatty fish at least twice a week lost significantly less muscle over a 3-year period compared to those who ate it only occasionally. And here's something even more relevant. Many older adults are low in vitamin D. Fatty fish are one of the few natural food sources rich in this essential nutrient. Vitamin D is key for maintaining muscle function and strength, making fatty fish even more valuable in a senior's diet. To get the most benefit, aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week, preferably wild-caught when possible. If preparing fish regularly feels challenging, taking a high-quality fish oil supplement can also help, though. Getting your nutrients from whole foods is always best when you can. Food number 5. Eggs. A simple, powerful food for aging muscles. When it comes to maintaining muscle as we age, eggs are one of the most affordable and versatile options out there. Many people focus only on the egg whites, but the whole egg offers a near-perfect mix of nutrients that's especially helpful for aging muscles. On the biological value scale, egg protein ranks among the highest, meaning your body can absorb and use it very efficiently to help preserve muscle mass. One large egg contains a full dose of high-quality protein, including leucine, an amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. This is especially important for older adults, whose muscles are often less responsive to growth signals. What's often overlooked is that nearly half of this protein and many other key nutrients are found in the yolk. The yolk also delivers choline, vitamin D, and more leucine, all of which help support muscle health. In fact, a recent study from the University of Illinois found that eating whole eggs after exercise triggered over 40% more muscle-building activity than eating the same amount of protein from egg whites alone. That's a big deal for older adults, as the extra nutrients in the yolk may help overcome some of the age-related challenges to building muscle. Now you might be thinking about cholesterol. For years, older adults were told to limit eggs, but most of those concerns have been debunked. Research now shows that eating up to 7 eggs per week doesn't increase the risk of heart disease for most people, and may even help improve cholesterol levels. To get the most benefit, try adding 1 to 2 eggs to your daily diet, especially at breakfast, when most tend to eat less protein. Hard-boiled eggs also make a quick, no-prep snack perfect for older adults who may have limited energy or time to cook. Food number 6. Nuts and seeds. Small but mighty for muscle maintenance. Nuts and seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting muscle health. They offer a balanced mix of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that can help older adults preserve muscle mass as they age. While they don't contain as much protein as animal-based foods, their unique nutrient profiles make them an excellent complement to any muscle-supportive diet. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are especially beneficial. Just a quarter cup of almonds provides about 6 grams of protein, along with magnesium, a mineral many older adults don't get enough of. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and energy production, and low levels have been linked to faster muscle loss and more frequent cramping. Walnuts are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps fight chronic inflammation, a major contributor to muscle breakdown over time. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, which supports testosterone production. Even though testosterone declines naturally with age, it still plays a critical role in maintaining muscle strength even in older adults. Most nuts and seeds are also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage associated with aging. Research from Tufts University found that older adults with higher blood levels of vitamin E experience significantly less muscle loss over time. To get the most benefit, aim to eat 1 to 2 ounces of nuts or seeds daily, about 28 to 56 grams. Since they're calorie-dense, it's a good idea to pre-portion them into small containers to avoid overeating. When possible, choose unsalted varieties, especially if you're managing high blood pressure or water retention. Food number 7. Berries. Small, sweet, and surprisingly powerful for muscle health. Berries might not seem like an obvious choice when it comes to preserving muscle, but don't let their sizzy or sweetness fool you. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants that play a surprisingly important role in protecting aging muscle tissue. As we grow older, our muscles become more vulnerable to oxidative stress, which not only contributes to muscle breakdown but also slows down recovery. The cell membranes and mitochondria, energy factories inside your muscle cells, are especially at risk. That's where berries come in. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in anthocyanins and other polyphenols, natural compounds that help neutralize free radicals and prevent tissue damage. According to a study from Tufts University, consuming blueberries in particular helped improve physical performance and muscle recovery in older adults. Beyond that, these antioxidants also influence signaling molecules called cytokines, which play a key role in managing inflammation. While some inflammation is necessary for muscle repair and adaptation, chronic inflammation, the kind that often accompanies aging, can accelerate muscle loss. Berries help keep that in check. What's more, their natural sweetness makes them a great substitute for less healthy desserts. Whether fresh, frozen, or dried, berries make for a convenient and delicious snack that supports your muscle health from the inside out. Food number 8. Olive oil. Liquid gold that protects muscle as you age. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin kind, might not be a source of protein, but its impact on muscle health is far more powerful than it seems. What makes olive oil so unique is its anti-inflammatory properties. As we age, low-grade chronic inflammation becomes a major driver of muscle loss. That's where oleocanthal comes in, a natural compound in extra virgin olive oil that works much like ibuprofen. It helps reduce inflammation that can break down muscle tissue over time. In fact, a study from Louisiana State University found that oleocanthal specifically inhibits enzymes involved in muscle protein breakdown. But olive oil does more than just calm inflammation. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which is especially important for older adults. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, a common issue with aging, it struggles to use protein efficiently to rebuild muscle. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, both of which decline with age but are still vital for maintaining muscle mass. Research from the PREDIM study revealed that older adults who included olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean-style diet maintained significantly better muscle strength and experienced less frailty over a 5-year period compared to those on low-fat diets. To reap the most benefits, aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil each day. Drizzle it over roasted vegetables. Use it in salad dressings or cook with it at low temperatures. Be sure to store your olive oil in a dark bottle, away from heat, to protect its beneficial compounds, and check the harvest date on the label to ensure it's still fresh. These are 8 of the most powerful foods to help you maintain and even rebuild muscle after 60. But remember, muscle isn't just about appearance. It's the foundation of your independence. It's what keeps you balanced, supports your metabolism, and helps you live a healthier, more fulfilling life as you age. By adding these foods to your daily routine, you're not just slowing down muscle loss, you're actively shaping a stronger, more resilient version of your future self. Now it's your turn. Have you tried any of these foods before? Have you noticed a difference in your strength, energy, or mobility? Share your story in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and support you on your journey. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Health Vibes, and turn on notifications so you never miss science-backed tips for living stronger. Starting with the small things. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.